Welcome to TechWonk Tutorials. In this tutorial you will know how to add hibernation mode to start menu in Windows 10. Hibernation is one of the best power mode which lets you make your computer turn off without closing any open documents and next time start from where you left off. Rather than the sleep mode, which actually does not power off the system, you can start your work from exactly where you left off, and this mode will save power too, by turning off the system and not closing any open documents or application. By default, this mode is hidden in Windows 10, but in this tutorial I will be showing you how to enable this setting and bring this mode to the Start menu power buttons. Open Control Panel by searching from the Start menu or press Window key plus R, type in Control and hit Enter. Click on System and Security Hyperlink from the opened Control Panel window and wait for the next window. Under Power Options from opened window, click on Change What Power Buttons Do Hyperlink. Now, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable hyperlink above dropdowns and wait for options to unlock. Click on checkbox of Hibernate to make it checked and then click Save Changes button. That's it. Hibernate option will now be available in Power button and Start menu. Final notes. Hibernate option will now be available in the Start menu power options and you can use it to hibernate your system rather than putting it to sleep mode, and by this, your PC will remain turned off and as soon as you start it again, it will start from the same place where you left it off. If you need any tutorials, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more video tutorials.